SmartScan tutorial: how to quickly rename a new job button. Name the job buttons helps you to complete file digitalization and file archiving efficiently. On SmartScan, there are two methods to rename the job buttons: by directly right-click on the icon of the button, or rename the job button in the configurations. First, right-click on the icon of the button that you want to rename. Rename the job in the pop-up windows. Then, click Save. Or, you can click the job configurations on the bottom left corner. Log into the account that the job button belongs to. Click the edit icon to modify the name. Then, click Save. Go back to the home screen by clicking Home button. You've successfully changed the name of button.